Laura here. Today I am doing a collab video with the very wonderful and gorgeous Bren from Brazil Beauty Boutique. Now I've been following Bren for a while now, and we've been chatting back and forth in the comments and things, and she is the sweetest, most wonderful person, and she really touches my heart in a lot of ways. I just really enjoy watching her channel, and forming that communication with her has been very special for me. So I was really happy when she said she would love to do a collab with me. So I was thinking about it, and we live on other sides of the world, and it's winter here, raining and cold. I'm looking out the window at the pouring rain, so if you hear rain, it's because the rain is coming straight onto the window behind the camera. And it's summer where she is, so I thought we could use the same palette yet do different seasons. So that's what we're going to do, and as it happens we both have the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which we haven't really used. I've swatched a few colours, but I haven't actually used it, so we're both going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to do a winter look and Bren is going to do a summer look. So I'm sure you've all seen this because it's been around a long time, but it's new to me. I haven't had it very long. So when I did my BH Cosmetics order, I made the order big enough that I would get free shipping, and that was one of the palettes that I chose to fill up my order with. Now, it's an all shimmer palette, so it's going to be a shimmery look. And in the winter, I quite like wearing bright red, but I also like wearing berry kind of colours like this, and pale pinks are definitely kind of my winter colours that I like to wear. So I thought I would do something with purple and pink for my look for winter. And I've got lots of very red brushes from playing with my main squeeze palette, so I'm going to have to get some fresh brushes. So I think I'm going to go in with this purple colour to start off with, and I've done my eyebrows and I've set my base. I'm using a fluffy brush. It's not too shimmery for a crease with a fluffy brush. It's a pretty colour. Got glitter on my face before I even start. Always glitter on my face before I start. So I know a lot of people who watch me are in the States, so you'll be enjoying some nice warm weather while we are sitting here in the cold and the rain. Now, I'm not sure how big a channel Bren is, because she doesn't have her subscriber count on her channel. I know she's bigger than me because she has adverts, and I can't have adverts. I suspect she's quite a lot bigger than me. But she is just the sweetest person, which comes across on camera so much. She's just started doing some nutrition, not so much diet, but stuff she's learnt because she's on a sort of a weight loss journey at the moment. So she's just started doing some of those kind of videos, which should be quite interesting to see what she does. She made salad in a jar for her husband, and I'm frowning because I've never thought of putting salad in a jar, and the way she did it was so ingenious with the dressing down the bottom, and then she put chicken as the protein, and then kind of vegetables and the lettuce up the top, and then when you tip the jar upside down and put it on the plate, all the dressing would go through the salad, but in the meantime it's stored up the right way and not getting soggy. And I thought that was so ingenious. But she loves lots of makeup looks with for hooded eyes and things, and some in-depth tutorials for people with hooded eyes. I'm just considering my next colour. It's gonna be I think it's gonna be a reasonably simple look. I say that now, but then it never turns out that way, does it? Which pink do I want to go in with? I'm gonna start out with this pink, but then I think I'll probably go into this pink. Can you see which one I'm pointing at? This one up here. That brush isn't very good. I'll just push it back on. I'm just using it dry. Now, I have seen some people saying that when these palettes first came out, they were great, but now other palettes have surpassed them a lot. It's really pretty. I really like the colour. And they're not considered such great quality now. So I have to admit that has been putting me off trying them out, but so far I'm happy with what they're doing. That's really pretty. I could just leave it like that and be perfectly happy. I'm not going to, but I could be. I can't remember what I was saying before I started talking about that. Yeah, so I'm going to go... I think I'm going to go in with this blue here. Oh, it's a pretty colour. Oh, that's really nice. I'm too busy admiring the eyeshadow colours to talk. I'm going to go in with that brighter pink. And I want to put that there. I have to throw that brush away or glue it together because it's annoying. Okay, I'm going to wipe off my brush. And I'm just going to try going in with that very top colour. Maybe? Will I? No, I've changed my mind. I'm going to go in with this yellowy colour here. And I'm just putting it on a fluffy brush, so I don't want too much. Just a little bit on my brow bone there. Now, Bren does lovely wearable looks. She's just getting into using foundation because she's not someone who normally uses foundation, so I'm excited to see what foundations she gets and how she likes them. She does some haul videos and she likes glitter like me, so we connect over glitter as well. And she's been doing some new skincare videos, and I'm hoping she's been talking about how she's been changing her skincare to reduce the redness in her skin, so I'm hoping she will do some videos on what she's been doing to catch us up on that. And she does some BoxyCharm unboxings. Now, in this palette there are these white shades and a black shade, and these white ones are supposed to be like transforming shades, so I want to go into this one which has a lighter, sort of a pink reflect. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that on camera. Oh, it looks more yellowy gold on my hand, which you can't really see, it's there. I'm just showing you a bare hand basically. So I wanted to try out this because when I swatched it, it was really pretty over the pink. I don't know if that's the right brush. I might use a flat brush. But, when I did it on my hand, I'll show you what it looked like. So there's the pink on my hand, and then do the colour on top. And you can see the change in the colour. It was really pretty. I think I've taken too much contrast out. So I think I need to go back in with the pink. And the blue. So maybe I just need to do it just on the inner bit. Oh yeah, that's better. If I just do it on the inner bit, it looks better. And it definitely works better with a flat brush. That looks better. It's pretty. But I want to add some more sparkle. Is this cheating, Bren? Adding stuff? I'm going to use my Focallure liquid eyeshadow in Diamond, which I'm going to hold up and see if you can see it on my hand, which you cannot. Hang on, I'll try it on my wrist. It's really hard to capture the... So it changes colour from purple and blue, pink. It doesn't show up very well on camera in this lighting, but I'm going to put some of that on my eyes anyway. Oh, look at that. That's what I wanted. That is so gorgeous. It's just like a topper, but it's so shiny and sparkly and beautiful. I hope that's showing up on camera. Because it's very pretty. Now, I want a pale blue liner, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. So I put that pale blue in my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with the sky blue in the palette in my little e.l.f. smudger brush. Just go over that. These colours are beautiful. I don't know why people complain about them. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to go back into that purpley colour, this one here. And put that underneath. So pretty. So I think you can tell that I like this palette. I'm very curious to see what colour Bren's going to use for a summer look, because there are so many options. Because when I opened the palette, it was like, oh, there are so many options. So I just went with the kind of colours that I would normally wear in the winter anyway, because there was just so much to choose from. I think for my inner corner I might go back into that yellowy gold kind of colour. Oh, look how bright that is. And as I said, I'm using all these dry, I'm not wetting them or anything. So that is really good payoff. Oops, dropped it. Didn't I? Okay, I'm going to tightline and put some liner on the top, and then I'll come back. Oh, no. Then I'll do all my face makeup, and then I'll come back. So that's where we're up to, and now I want to try out that transformer shade here as a little highlight topper. So this, I could end up extremely glittery. I'm not sure. The brush and buff it up. Ooh, interesting. See a lot more of the gold reflex in it as a highlighter. What do you think? Can you see it? I think if you were really pale it wouldn't work as a highlighter because it has too much of a yellow cast. On me it's okay because I'm not that pale. And now I need a lipstick. What colour do I want to wear? I could go pink, but I don't want to. And there is my final look for winter. I like a bit of colour in winter just to brighten things up, and these lips are pretty bright and glittery. To go with my glittery eyes, so instead of going bright eyes and a neutral lip or bright lips and neutral eyes, I've just gone for shimmery eyes and shimmery lips. Why not? On a grey day you need to cheer up. So thank you so much, Bren, for being my YouTube friend and just being my friend in general, because you are very special. And thank you so much for doing this collab with me. So I hope you all enjoyed this winter and Bren's summer look. Make sure you go out and check her out, and I will link her video down below in the description box and in the cards if I can remember to put it up there. And I will see you next time. Bye everyone.